At,
Yun rin yung ano kuyang ano, yun rin yung isa sa malaking problema. Kasi ang China, China is where they are right now because they understand their history, because they understand their shortcomings, and so they were able to formulate a policy that they were able to hold on to, fight for, and really, really believe in. Because they know their history.
mm,
Tayo dito sa Pilipinas, kaya natin hindi maintindihan yung China kasi hindi natin alam yung history nila.
mm,
Understandable. And
mm,
also, one reason, kaya hindi natin maintindihan ang sarili natin. Sabi ko nga dun sa ano,
mm,
sa forum. Medyo na-adjit kasi ako, sabi ko ganun. Ang problem kasi namin kako sa Pilipinas, Filipinos do not really know our history. Our own history, we do not know.
mm,
Now, you're talking about 5,000 years of history of another country in order to understand China. Kaya natin
mm,
hindi maintindihan ng China kasi tayo nga mismo mga Pilipino, hindi natin naiintindihan yung history natin. Pagkatapos aaralin mo pa yung 5,000 years of history ng China. So
tama.
it's really bound to misunderstand each other, ano?
Mm,
Philippines and China are really bound to misunderstand each other. You have a
mm,
population largely oblivious to the struggle of the Filipino people, have
mm,
no idea of the pre-Spanish history of the Philippines,
mm.
uh, na hindi pa naman called Philippines at that time.
Right.
We do not know our strength, our weaknesses, our failures and successes. So that is
Mm,
why we always live in the moment.